look at this. Poor thing. Alright, I planted the grass seed today on a new pond. But if you've been with the channel for a while, you know, they're calling for random storms tonight. But you see this, it's coming here in a few minutes. This is potentially another gully washer. So it will wash all that grass seed just off of that pond dam and down into oblivion. So, might be another setback. That's kind of the norm though right here. Alright, this thing is like rolling in fast by the minute. I gotta get in the house, but oh boy, 80-mile-an-hour winds. Ugh. Oh, it's coming. And it's coming fast. Let's get in the house here. Oh wow, dang it. I feel like Lieutenant Dan. Maybe I should go out in the boat. Holy buckets. Where'd this come from? Oh my God. Yeah, it just popped. I mean, literally in about a minute or two. Holy buckets. Well, I'm sure we'll see some damage. Stay tuned. Hopefully we don't get too much damage. And of course, hopefully nothing hits the house. Here comes the rain. All that grass seed's gonna just get washed away. That didn't take but 3 hours, literally. Just put it in like 3 hours ago. But hey, that's par for the course. As long as the house don't blow down, we'll tuck in and watch a movie. Oh, look at that, it's getting faster. 80-mile-an-hour winds, that's nifty. Oh, them poor little geese. Look at them, just hunkering down right in the middle. Man. Oh man, look at this. Poor thing. Wow. Oh, it's ripping now. Darn it. Poor little things.